one of the biggest mistakes gardeners make in August. They think it's too late to plant a garden. Think again. August is one of the best times to actually start another vegetable garden here in Texas. Today we're planting carrots, cucumbers, beets, and squash directly into our garden for a late season harvest. Also, I'll show you what else you should be planting this month if you want to harvest fresh vegetables this fall. Welcome back to Family Garden Explorers. If you're new here, we grow food together as a family. And today we're taking advantage of the August growing season. Intense summer heat will ease up over a couple of weeks, making it a perfect time to get another harvest in before winter. People stop growing gardening after spring. But in Zone 9B, August starts our second growing season. We still got a lot of time left in the season. However, fast-growing crops can mature before the first harvest or the first frost. That means more fresh food without waiting until spring. Okay, Seja and Zara, before you plant anything, we have to prepare our soil. Okay, so we're gonna clear up the weeds, and then after we clear up the weeds, we're gonna add some compost to give it a nice fresh soil, or to add back nutrients to the soil. Okay, then once that is done, then we're gonna loosen everything up. Okay, all right, give me a bounce. All right, give me a bounce, Zara. Let's get working. Okay, Seja and Zara, now we're gonna go ahead and clean up our second bed. The corn has done its course already for this season, so we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Okay, and then we're gonna plant some new crops over there. Okay, go ahead and cut the rope we had over there. So hold it right here and cut it right here. Okay, hold it, Zara, help Seja. Help us. Help! Help! Do it! I'll go it? Okay, I got it.
Where should I put this one?
Okay, Seja, now we clear the bed. Now we're gonna tilt the soil, till it over. Okay, so we can add our fresh compost to it. Okay, I'll show you how to go ahead and do it. Okay, so we're gonna hold it, put our shovel like this, and then we're gonna take it like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and tilt it over like this. Okay, so that way the fresh soil can come on top. Come on, take a shot.
The worms in there.
Yeah, it have worms. Yeah, put your feet. Good job. Go. And then take it, and then we're gonna flip it over. Okay, Seja and Zara, now we clear our bed, we remove the weeds, we overturn the soil to put the new soil on top. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some peat moss to as the top of the soil. Okay, that way it's gonna have some nutrients to it, or some drainage to it. Okay, are you ready? All right, let's go.
Look at this one.
So right now we're gonna break up the big clumps into fine particles. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and add it to our bed. Okay.
I have my shovel right in there.
You have your shovel right in there, baby. I'm planting cucumbers directly into the garden because cucumbers don't always like being transplanted. So direct sowing of the cucumbers, let the roots grow without disturbance. Okay. Also, we're gonna plant the cucumber seeds about 1 inch deep. All right. You ready? Give me a bounce. Okay, Sage. Let's go ahead and plant the cucumber seeds into the ground. We're gonna put them about 1 inch deep by the net in the center because it's gonna be growing on the trellis. Okay, so we'll put 2 over here and then we'll put another 1 right here. Okay, this is the cucumber seeds we're gonna be growing. We got some seeds in there, so this is the ones we'll be growing. I'm not too sure about the name, but I just know this is what we'll be growing. All right. Okay, Sage. So now we plant our cucumber. Now we go ahead and stake them so we can know what we planted. So go ahead and put it at the side right here. So we'll know that's cucumber right here. Also along those beds, we'll go ahead and plant beets. Okay. So we'll put some beets along here. And then once we finish planting the beets and everything, we're gonna go ahead and water them lightly. Okay. You ready? Alright, give me a bounce. So beets is another August crop because they're easy to grow. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and plant it 1/2 inch deep. Okay, the beets, both the roots, which is the purple as you can see over here, and the leaves, they are eatable, so you can eat them. Okay, so basically you can eat the entire plant. Alright, let's go ahead and plant it. You ready? Alright, so we're gonna put some 1 here. Then we're gonna put another 1 here.
Dad, I planted my beans today.
You planting your beans, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and plant them. We'll see if they grow. What the beans? Let me see the beans. Go ahead and plant them. It's gonna be all on you, okay? You think it will grow?
Yeah.
You're a big gardener, right? Alright. Okay, Sergio. Next, squash. Whether it's zucchini or yellow squash. Okay? So August planting give another chance. His spring plant slow down from the heat. Okay? And with the reason that we're choosing to plant squash, the yellow squash, is because it grows fast. Okay? Alright. You gonna plant it?
Why do it push?
Huh?
Why the yellow and cross grow fast?
Because of the season. Okay, Sage. So now we're gonna go ahead and plant our squash. We're gonna plant them probably around 1/2 inch to 1 inch. And then once we plant them, we're gonna keep the soil moist during germination. Okay. And then before we plant them, we're gonna space them about 2 to 4 feet apart. Okay. Alright, go ahead and take 2 of them. Go ahead and put 2 seeds in. Okay, go ahead and cover them. Now we plant our zucchini, we plant our cucumber, our beets, our beans. Now we're gonna go ahead and plant carrot. All right. However, carrot requires something different. Okay. The soil have to be loose and it have to have no large rocks in there. Okay. Because if the rocks have big soil in there, it won't have enough room for the soil for the carrots to grow through or to push through. Okay, because the carrot grows underground, the soil have to be fine and thin in order for the carrots to push through, in order for it to get those big carrots like you. All right. So we're gonna scatter the carrot seeds thinly, and we're gonna cover lightly. Okay. And then we're gonna water it. Keep the soil constantly moist until they sprout. Okay. However, carrot requires patience, but the reward pay off in the end. All right. Let's go ahead and we're gonna put 3 layers. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do it like a drain, okay, or like a funnel. So we're gonna go ahead and do it like a gutter. So we're gonna do one here and do another one in the middle, okay. And with the last one we're gonna go ahead and do it right here. Okay, Sage, beside these vegetables that we plant, August is the perfect time to be planting fall garden. All right, so we're gonna start these indoors for transplanting in the fall. Okay, so right now we got like Brussels sprouts, so we're gonna be planting these indoors. Lettuce, switcher, spinach, cauliflower, and then cabbage. So all these we're gonna be planting these indoors for fall, and hopefully we can add some more to the list as well. As temperature cool down, these crops will survive. So now we're gonna go ahead and water the bed with the freshly planted seeds. However, one of the biggest mistakes gardeners make in August is not watering enough. Okay, so morning watering is best because it's gonna the moisture, the morning water is gonna aggregate for the heat during throughout the day. Okay, the hot heat throughout the day. Okay, so go ahead and water it. Also, you can add mulch on top of it to keep the moisture in to help it thrive throughout the August heat. Okay, so that's another option you can do as well whilst you water. Okay, Sessions Arrow, so we cleared the bed, we water the bed, we plant our seeds. Now we just have to wait for it to germinate. All right, you all ready? Give me a bounce. Okay, Sessions Arrow, that's everything we're gonna be planting today for our late season garden. Over the next couple of weeks, we'll show you how everything goes, and hopefully we can have another harvest before the cooler weather arrives. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment below what you planting this August.
See you next time, guys.
Later.